So when the people of Jannah have entered Jannah and they have enjoyed Jannah, then they will hear a caller make the call. O people of Jannah, your Lord is summoning you for an invite. Allah Rabbul Izzah wishes an audience with you, so come to the invitation of your Lord. So they will say, we hear and we obey. And then special rides come prepared for them. They will get on these rides and they will rush towards the designated point of meeting. Wadi al-Afyah, huge place. Allah Rabbul Izzah orders for His kursi to be placed there. And then He orders for chairs, pulpits, stations, stages to be set for the creation. The caller calls, O people of Jannah, you have a promise with Allah. He wishes to fulfill that promise. So they look at each other and they say, what promise is left? Didn't He make our faces glow bright? Didn't He make our right deeds grow heavier than the bad deeds? Didn't He pass us over Jahannam and enter us into Jannah? What is left? As they are in this discussion, a light covers the whole of Jannah from above them. So they raise their heads. The Lord Allah Rabbul Izzah's presence is there above them in light. Because the hijab of Allah is light. وَحِجَابُهُ النُّورُ. And then, this is the first time they hear their Lord. And Allah Rabbul Izzah says, Assalamu alaykum ya Ahlul Jannah. So they say, Allahumma anta salam, wa minka salam. تباركت ربنا وتعاليت يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. Oh Allah, you are peace, from you is peace, blessed and exalted are you, O Lord of majesty and grandeur. So Allah Rabbul Izzah says, where are the servants who used to worship me having never seen me? Where are you? They are there, but this is Naz. أين عبادي الذين أطاعوني بالغيب ولم يروني. Where are those who used to worship me having never seen me? فهذا يوم مزيد. This is the day of increase. So they all say, Oh Allah, we are pleased, be pleased with us. Oh Allah, we are pleased, be pleased with us. So Allah Rabbul Izzah says, if I wasn't pleased, I wouldn't put you in Jannah. Ask, today is the day of extra. So all the people of Jannah together say, Oh Allah, show us yourself, we want to look at you. So Allah Rabbul Izzah orders for the hijabs to be moved. And you will meet your Lord, the hadith says, like you see the sun at its noon or the moon at its full. And so much so that Allah Rabbul Izzah will meet people individually. So that He will tell you when you're covered, you and Him, He will say, my servant, remember you did this and this on this day and on that day. And He'll remind you some of your mistakes. So the righteous will say, Alam taghfir li ya Rab, won't you forgive me ya Rab? So He says, Bal bimaghfirati balaghta manzilataka hadih. But it is my mercy and forgiveness that has brought you here.